I've gotten orange rust fungus under the leaves of my purple raspberry, blackberry hybrid. Should I avoid wood chip mulching as that would promote the fungus on my raspberry, blackberry hybrid? Chad, YouTube. So he sees the fungus, right?
Yeah.
But he wants to avoid using the wood chip mulch that may promote the fungus. Interesting.
I really don't think that that's going to have anything to do with it.
No.
I think
never heard
having
of
mulch on the ground is a good thing,
good
especially
thing. Right.
you know, through the winter and everything. But it's the leaves. And when they fall, don't let them stay in the mulch. Pick those
Disease
up.
leaves.
Yeah.
Right. So
The
practice good
disease
sanitation
leaves.
would be
Yeah.
one good thing.
Because it's caused by fungus.
Yeah, it's
and
caused by the fungus.
probably airborne, and the presence of the chips I don't think are going to create a problem. That's not going to create a problem. And of course we have if you have a history of a problem with rust on these types of blackberries or raspberries,
Raspberries,
this according to the Home Orchard Spray Guide, which University of Tennessee has, recommends using Immunox.
Yeah, familiar with that.
And you can use it up to 4 applications per year, but early to mid bloom, and then 3 to 4 applications at 2-week intervals after bloom, and that should take care of your problem.
Okay. But yeah, mulch is fine.
Mulch
Right.
is
Just
fine,
practice
yeah.
good sanitation.
Good,
like you
yeah, the
mentioned.
sanitation. Yeah.
Right.
Keep the
Yeah.
don't let it stay down there. Pick them all up.
I'm not a big I like mulch in the summertime, but I'm not a real proponent of mulch in the wintertime because
okay. All
wet
right.
soil gives off ground heat.
Okay.
And if you mulch in the wintertime, do it lightly. Make sure it's not very thick, because you want that wet soil to be able to give off the ground heat to protect the plants.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.